Oh, we just stopped off of the road at a pottery house, and there's this drive that went through the woods, really thick, lush woods, a little drive, gravelly drive, and it was just, took us through the woods, and we're going to this house that sells pottery, and this is just so beautiful here. It's like a little fairyland, and look, there's a little tree house. I bet the tree house guy built that tree house. Oh, wow. I want to go to the tree house. I'm walking around here though. This gal's been getting busy here.
Look at this.
Glad we came here. This is beautiful. Look at this.